Hi guys! In this video we will be learning about two contrasting tropical storm events, which are Hurricane Katrina and Typhoon Haiyan, and finishing off with an exam-style question.
The first tropical storm event we're going to look at is Hurricane Katrina, and as I said, this was in the USA in August 2005. So in these images here we have a satellite image of the storm itself as it headed across onto the south of America, and this is an image here showing the destruction caused by the event, particularly showing the extensive flooding. So to begin with, I'm going to give some background about the storm itself. So the hurricane was a Category 5 hurricane, it's the strongest type of hurricane possible. It had a central pressure of 902 millibars, a wind of 280 kilometers an hour, and specific gusts of winds blowing at 345 kilometers an hour. So you can tell this was a major storm. The storm developed on the 23rd of August in the Bahamas, and it began heading for Mississippi and Louisiana, which are in the south of the United States. And this map here shows the path of the storm. So the colours of these dots represent the strength of the storm. So it's blue where it's weaker and it's building, and the yellow and red areas are where the storm is at its strongest. As you can see, it hit mainland United States. So on the 26th of August, advance warnings were provided when they realised the storm was heading ashore, and it was only on the 27th that President Bush, who was president at the time, declared a state of emergency in Louisiana, Alabama and Mississippi, which were states that were going to be directly affected by the storm. And the important thing to know is that it was really difficult to respond to this sheer scale of this disaster. Now looking at the risk and vulnerability of the event, starting with New Orleans, which was one of the cities that the event hit. Now, New Orleans is a coastal city and it experiences several storms a year, so it's usually prepared for these type of events, but not as strong as Hurricane Katrina was. And the reason why it's a very vulnerable city is because 50% of the land is below sea level, so it's extremely prone to flooding. Also in New Orleans, they had a poor levee system, and levees are these barriers, which you can see in this first image here, and they are meant to keep the floodwater out and storm surges, but the specific levees here were really weak and they burst and they let all the water in, which caused extensive flooding.
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level geography videos, just click the button. Join me today and together let's make A-level geography a walk in the park.